Hi guys, welcome to my channel again, and thank you for taking time to watch my video. Today is the 15th of November 2024. I've been debating whether I should make this video, and I was thinking, should I really bother going out there to do this video? But I thought to myself, if I don't do it now, I'll probably never do it. And the reason why I've been debating whether to come out here is because of the weather. It's very cold today. The temperature is, I think it's about 8 degrees. So not very pleasant to be out here. But I thought I better get this video out of the way because from now on, the temperature is not really going to improve. It's just going to get worse. Yeah, it's going to get colder than this, and then sometimes it will be raining and so forth. So I decided, anyway, let me just brave the weather and go and do it. Sorry, I didn't even have a shave this morning because I was really debating whether I'm going to come out here and do this video. But anyway, here we are. And the main reason why I want to do this video today is, as you know, we are now going into winter, and I need to get my pond ready for winter. So I'm going to be cutting back a lot of my plants. If I just show you, if I swing the camera around and show you, right, as you can see, I've got a lot of plants in my pond that are now dying off. So you can see one of my fish down there. Not so much activity with the fish now because the water is freezing now. It's so cold and the plants are all dying away. Look at this. So I need to cut all these back because what will happen is that they will die off and they will fall into the water, and then they will just pollute the water, make the water dirty. Not very good for the fish. So I have to cut all these plants. My bog filter also needs cutting back, as you can see. It's really overgrown. So I need to cut this back, get the pond ready for winter. You can see my fish down there. They are not really doing much. They're just sitting in one position because of the coldness of the I've got a thermometer somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. I think I don't think I can find it. I don't know where it is. I've got a thermometer somewhere down there. If I look, I don't think I can find it. Oh, there it is. There it is. And if we check the temperature on there, I don't know if you can be able to see the red line, but it's not very clear to see there. But it's, I think, hold on, let me just sort of like try to clean the glass a bit. Don't know if you can see that. I think that's better. You can see that it's just below 10 degrees. I think it's about just below 10 degrees. I think it's about 9.8 degrees. So that's the temperature of the water, and it is cold touch. Yeah, so I have to do this, cut these plants back, and yeah, get the pond ready for winter. You can see I've got a lot of dead leaves there that I need to scoop out and get them out so that the water can be safe for my fish. I had this blue tarpaulin cover on here. I had put this up just to shield, to allow so much sun direct sunlight onto the water, because then that causes the water to go green. Algae grows with when you have got direct sunlight onto the water. So I'd put this up, managed to tie it up, but as you can see, it's falling to pieces. And the reason is we had quite a strong winds that blew and ripped this whole thing off. So I didn't bother putting it back because I knew we were going into the winter and there's no much sunlight in the winter, so my pond shouldn't have any problems with the sunlight. So as you can see, my water is clear. So my water comes from the pond. The pump is right at the back there, comes into my bog filter, goes to the bottom of the bog filter, comes back up the bog filter and comes out through this pipe. And you can see the water there. So the water comes back here and goes back to the pond. And let's see if I can just show you how clear my water is. You can see how clear my water is. It's crystal clear. And when I do the testing for the water, all is okay. The ammonium levels, nitrates, everything is okay. All right. So let's get this started. We'll start cutting these plants back.
Imfuatayo salayo nangu byomutali nangu beumwepi imfuatayo salayo nangu kwata makwewa yendi nangu kwate fyume fingi imfuatayo salayo vya muchalo fika pita
Hi. As I was cutting the plants back, as you can see, I've cut my bog filter plants back. Still yet to cut some more off there, but you can see what my bog filter now looks like. And I've got a lot of the leaves and the plants that are falling into the pond, which I'm going to scoop out. Now you'll see that I've put these planks across here, because I was trying to get to that plant, to cut that plant, and it was a bit of a challenge. I thought I would stand by the edge of the pond there, but it's not that easy to stand on the blocks there and try to cut this. So the plan I've come up with now is I've put this plank across the pond, which I'll use to stand on, or at least put one of my foot here, while I put my foot on the other side at the edge of the pond, just to give me the balance and be able to cut this one off. Yeah, so it was a bit of a challenge. I tried to cut it, but I was afraid I was going to fall into the pond. So let's see how this goes now.
oh gentle Savior, hear my humble cry. While on others thou art called holy, do not pass me by. While on others thou art called holy, do not pass me by. Let me at thy throne of mercy find a sweet in deep country is shown. Help my unbelief, trusting only in thy merit word, I seek thy face. Wounded, broken spirit, save me by thy grace. Oh, Savior, Savior, my Lord, oh, hear my humble cry. My Father, oh Lord God, do not pass me by, Lord. Hallelujah. Savior, Savior, hear my humble cry. Oh.
Okay, so now you can see I've removed most of the dead plants and leaves. I still have to remove these. They are sitting on top of my net, but I'll take those out. Taken that down, so it's much clearer now. But this will be a continuous process because I still have a bit of green plants in here, which will definitely die off as the winter progresses. I've stirred up the water now, so the water is a bit murky. Can't even see the fish in there now. But it will clear up as the water keeps going through the bog filter. It will clear up. That's the heap of the plants that I've cut off. There's some somewhere there. Yeah. So it's quite a lot that I've taken out. So I'm gonna put all this in my compost bin for my compost next year. I'll leave this video here, and we'll do the next one, I don't know when. During the winter I should make some more videos showing you how the fish is doing and how the pond is looking during winter. So from me, it's the Zambian guy again here, Odi, saying goodbye and shalom, shalom, and have a blessed day.